Hi! Thank you very much for clicking on this video. A few weeks ago I was able to try out the Leica Q2 Monochrome at the Leica store, and I shared a little bit of my thoughts in my last video, and since then that camera didn't get out of my mind. Long story short, I got myself a used Leica Q2 Monochrome and want to share my unboxing experience with you guys. As you already noticed, since it's a used Q2, the wrapping paper of the box is missing, but I think everything else should be fine. So let's dig into it. So let's open the famous Leica Q2 box. This is the magnet function everyone was talking about. Sounds pretty satisfying. Okay, enough. Let's open it. Alright. As you can see, here are three parts. The box itself and two drawers. Let's open the drawers first because I expect the camera to be in that box. Okay, that's basically just paper. Opa. Yeah, paper and warranty stuff. That's the first drawer. Let's open the second drawer. Paper again. And this is the accessories. Power cable internationally. Nicely packed accessories. This is a adapter ring, I guess. Okay, this should be the charger. Yes, like a charger for the battery. I assume this one is the first battery. Since I got this used, I'm fortunate to have two batteries because that was included. This is the first one. And the last sack here, it's the leather strap branded with Leica. Alright, that's the accessories. Let's dig into the box itself. So, this is the box. Let's open it up. Okay, and here you can already see it. Camera packed in. Wrapped in plastic paper. And here it is, the Leica Q2 Monochrome, my new camera. This is the lens cap, and the hood is already installed. And as you can see, the second battery is already also installed. Let me just demonstrate the battery as everyone else did already on YouTube. Yeah, that sound is satisfying. Let's do it again. Yeah. Alright. So this is the Leica Q2 Monochrome. Unboxed from a used package. So you might ask, why on earth a beginner like me would buy such an expensive camera for myself, especially when it only shoots black and white. I have several reasons why I decided to make the purchase on this beautiful camera. First of all, in the past few months, I'm digging deeper and deeper in black and white photography. I observed myself a lot that I prefer the black and white images more than the colored ones. This has also several reasons. First of all, I'm slightly colorblind. That means when I want to color correct my images, in the end I can't, because I'm not sure if the colors I see are correct for a person who is not colorblind. Making black and white edits removes my color blindness as an issue. Another benefit I discovered when doing black and white edits is that you don't have to white balance. I shoot mostly family stuff, and around our home we have different lights and some have different temperatures, and that makes it a nightmare to white balance. Shooting black and white also removes that factor. So you might now say, still, why on earth would I buy such an expensive camera which only shoots black and white while you are able to do black and white edits in Lightroom? And that brings me to my biggest argument for myself to get this Leica Q2 Monochrome. Monochrome sensors are amazing in low light photography. The reason is that the color filter in front of the sensors are removed. Because of that, the sensors are more highly sensitive regarding light. That's the reason why you are able to shoot in very high ISO with monochrome sensors and still have a very clear image. And that's the reason why I made this purchase for the Leica Q Monochrome. I mainly shoot for myself and my family to document our family life, and most of that happens indoor at low light. The reason is that in the morning I'm going to work, and when I'm back at home it's normally evening and the most natural light is gone. What is left is the artificial light at our home, and as I mentioned already, some have different color temperatures, which makes again white balance a nightmare and not fun to shoot photos. Since my kid is also running around a lot, I need a high shutter speed to freeze the image. This again is almost impossible when you are at low light, since you need a fast shutter speed and aperture, but if that's not enough, the ISO will be cranked up, resulting in noisy images. The same effect will also happen with this monochrome sensor, but since the sensitivity of the sensor is much higher, I can shoot at 10,000, 20,000 ISOs and still get a clear image while shooting an image of my daughter running around at a shutter speed of 1/1000 or 1/500 or so on. Here just a quick comparison between the A7 IV with the 35 1.4 and the Leica Q2 Monochrome shot at 1.7, both at ISO 10,000. You can see that the image of the Leica is much clearer and shows much more details. The Sony, although shot at 1.4, is quite noisy. The additional reason why I purchased this Leica is also because I had a Leica Q1 once. I bought it because of the Leica Q2 hype on YouTube, and I was fascinated about the build quality and how that camera felt in my hand. After selling that camera, I kind of regret it because I missed the Leica build quality somehow and the experience to shoot. And that's all my personal reasons why I bought the Leica Q2 Monochrome. As a bonus reason is, in case I'm getting rid of this camera in a few years, I will still get a lot of my money back, I guess. In my opinion, the Leica Q2 Monochrome is a great companion to my Sony A7IV. Since the A7IV I will use for colored photography during the day when there's enough light for color photography. As soon as the sun sets and there's only artificial light around me, I will pick up the Leica Q2 and make beautiful memories for my family. That's it. That's basically the short unboxing and the reasons why I got the Leica Q2. Hope you enjoyed this video so far, and if you want to support my small channel, you can check the affiliate links below in the description. In the end, I will show you some sample pictures I took the first time with the Leica Q2, and I guess I will continue to do some videos about this beautiful camera in the future. If you're still here, thank you very much for watching. Come on, vielleicht bis zum nächsten Mal und ciao.